gonna sew it on properly. I'm gonna try using a sewing machine instead of doing it by hand this time. See if I can get the hang of the sewing machine. But yeah, I really like this jacket. It's coming out really neat. I don't know what I'm gonna do to the sleeves yet though. I like how it was super white. And that's kind of where it tore and I hulked out. See, it looks like a huge difference. Thought I'd show you guys the jacket since I finally stitched this thing on here. It looks so good. I like it. Let's see, I don't know if I can... I'm definitely going to be putting some more patches on here soon.